Mr. Jena, we're asking you, don't you believe that the real concern is Hindutva? It's not Narendra Modi because of
even the BJP, listen, even the BJP itself has lost its Hindutva after the Babri Masjid demolition. They have also forgotten about Hindutva because they know what is going to happen if they pursue this matter further. Narendra Modi is also equally saying the same thing. No development. What development he has brought in? Most of the development.
Mr. Jena, whatever development he has brought in, the people of Gujarat have answered that. Please, Mr. Jena, whatever development Mr. Modi has brought in has been answered by the people of Gujarat. Show some respect to this part of the country also. They have voted in more than 50%.
Listen me.
We are listening to you since long.
Please listen.
Yes.
Yes, I agree. I agree. You have got some few lakhs of extra votes over Congress party. But that doesn't mean that you have the mandate of the 6 crore people.
My God, what does this mean? The UPA government, which is in a minority government right now, has no right to say this.
The debate cannot go like this.
This is demeaning to the people of Gujarat when you say that
this is
Mr. Modi has
comment.
not got the mandate of the people. This is a wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. No, he should retract. The union minister, please.
I tell you, whether victory of the statement. Listen me.
He has got the mandate of the people of Gujarat. Saying that he has not got the mandate is a wrong statement. Please retract the statement.
I agree. Who says?
You said that he has not got the mandate of the people.
I got your point.
What is the mandate of people? It is the mandate of
let me clarify.
Don't get angry. You are behaving like Narendra Modi.
No, please. This is not something personally.
Jahangir.
Obviously, he has to behave like Narendra Modi. You are not supposed to behave like Lalu Prasad Yadav.
Don't show extra loyalty.
You can behave like Lalu Prasad Yadav.
What I was saying, Mr. Jena, Mr. Jena,
I don't know who the gentleman is.
Mr. Jena, can you? Hold on. Mr. Jena, let's hear from Manoj. Go ahead, Manoj.
Mr. Jena, insulting Gujarati.
Mr. Jena, though I am in sync with what you said, but what my problem is that Congress is not proactive on secularism. Congress should have spoken about this alternative politics in Gujarat, which is shied away.
Okay.
And that I believe.
Make BJP pass the
Make BJP that is my complaint against Mr. Jha also, very happy. That they are not proactive on secularism. And here I will bring Bhagalpur riots. His complaint against Jena, the same complaints I have against him.
You hold the debate between
BJP ke saath baithne
but that's a valid. You speak on the debate.
I'll tell you what the bottom
His
line
charges
is.
against Jena, my charges.
Are you worried, Dilip Cherian, that the issue that could be one of development in this country could actually degenerate into Hindutva? Because as I was saying, no matter what words are on Narendra Modi's lips, the unspoken message is one that I am the champion of Hindutva, and that's how he's perceived in Gujarat and across much of India.
You know,
and is India, that's an unhealthy thing for India, do you think, going forward?
if Modi is smart, and I believe, and I have reason to believe that he is smart, he will recognize the kind of issues come 2014 which will find resonance with the majority of this country. Second, I also believe, after having heard his speech, and though I agree with my friend Ejaz that the speech may have referred only to the process of electioneering, but I think that this is a man who knows also how to backpedal when necessary. In Gujarat, his image as the strong man of Gujarat, the man for development, is necessary. But if Mr. Modi knows the image that can win him India, if that is his,
Mr. Chairman, you saying that Modi also knows how to backpedal, but two things over here. Number one, will he be able to live down 2002? And number two, does he frighten more people than he excites, or the other way around?
You know, the toss-up there is between whether more people in India and young people in India are looking for development or whether they want to bury other social issues. And at this point of time, all bets are off, because we don't know how this new generation of 18 to 24 or to 18 to 30 voters, many of who are voting in national elections with an open mind.
No, Manoj, you're shaking your head, but I think that's the point. Indians are so fed up with the lives that these people in power have given them across all their states that they are willing to forego, even if you use your vocabulary, they are willing to forego their values and their desire for justice for someone who can promise them growth and development. And if Narendra Modi is authoritarian, but if he gets things done, they will love it. And you can sit here and shake your head, and we can
Jahangir,
all try to
Jahangir,
pontificate on this.
Now
But the
India
fact
will
is,
reject that kind of secularism which is required to put a blanket on Chara Ghotala and 2G Ghotala. Secularism to most of the parties is to put a blanket on corruption. That is all.
This is insulting the term secularism itself.
That is all secularism is all about.
Jahangir, I will not comment upon somebody's
Younger
understanding.
generation,
No,
I would
Amarjit,
not like to blame younger generation.
no, I'll not
today.
comment
Number
upon
one.
somebody's idea of
Number
secularism
two.
if he does not even read the primer on secularism.
No,
I
you
tell
are the
I tell
pundit
you,
of secularism.
I
You are a
tell you.
PhD on secularism.
No,
and
Twitter,
we are nothing.
Facebook. India is much beyond people who are active on Facebook and Twitter. It's a complex country. It's a large
the
country.
point
and
is,
it's respect.
Narendra Modi stands today.
It is as complex as Bihar.
Narendra Modi stands today for development, a man who delivers things and gets things done. There's no point arguing that. That is the image of the man.
Who
You
said
see,
that?
you-
That
The
is
brand
exactly
which
how
speaks.
people.
It is the
Let's
brand.
show you.
Let me come in
Let me
over
show
here.
you.
Let
Let me show you
not the
how
content.
people
That's
across
why
India.
we-
There is
Let
no
me come in
Let
over
me
here.
show you how people across India reacted when we asked them what they look to Narendra Modi for
you
and what they
talked
expect
about-
for him to do
Did
for
you
the
ask
country
them
going
about
forward.
malnutrition? Did you ask them about social indicators? Only construction of
Manoj,
roads
no,
and
Jahangir,
big jams. This is not development.
Jahangir,
At
the
least we'll not buy
question
that.
which you raised, I want to talk on that. You
Yeah, but,
said 18 years to 24 years, this younger generation, how they will react. This younger generation is conscious of human rights.
Very
They
true.
want better society.
Inclusive
You saw
one.
how on corruption issues they came up. How they are on roads on this question
Amarjit
of
Singh ji,
rape.
lot of young
Also,
people,
at the
Jahangir,
cost
a lot-
of human rights.
a lot of
They
young
will
people-
not accept authoritarian
They
on
want
the
jobs.
cost of human rights.
Young people want jobs. Young
Jahangir,
people want
all
jobs
this-
that pay
but
them enough
not
money
at the
to be
cost
able
of
to
human
buy
rights.
houses
All this-
that
No,
cost
Jahangir,
50 years salary.
No,
I
I
want to
don't
come
blame
one
my
point. One point has to be
generation,
You
not
just
at the
assume
cost
that
of
everybody-
human rights.
Why do you believe
This
everybody?
younger
please,
generation,
just a point.
Narendra Modi
Amarjit,
is
one
against
point.
human rights.
The irony-
They will
Yeah,
not
but why do you
support
believe? Yeah, but
development
why do you
and
believe
job
all
at the
young
cost
people
of
think
human rights.
homogeneously?
one point,
My one
I
question
don't
is
think
that.
so.
My one question
I
is that.
trust youth of
Mr.
India.
Jha is the most learned man on the earth on secularism and all that. He's a professor. We are like fools. Just I want to know.